Hello everyone, welcome back. आज आपण सिम्पथी आणि एम्पथी या दोन शब्दांमधला अगदी सोपा पण खूप मीनिंगफुल डिफरन्स समजून घेणार आहोत. अँड ट्रस्ट मी, one simple example will make this difference crystal clear. Sympathy versus empathy. Imagine your close friend has worked very hard for an exam, but unfortunately, he fails. You look at your friend and say, I'm really sorry. You worked so hard. Don't worry, everything will be all right. This is sympathy. म्हणजेच समोरची व्यक्ती दुःखी आहे हे आपल्याला जाणवतं आणि तिच्या दुःखाबद्दल आपल्याला वाईट वाटतं. Now let's go a little deeper. Instead of simply saying, I feel sorry for you, imagine you sit beside your friend and say, I know how much this result meant to you. You gave your best, and I can understand why you are hurt. Take your time. I'm here with you. This is empathy. म्हणजे फक्त समोरच्या व्यक्तीचं दुःख पाहून वाईट वाटणं नाही, तर तिच्या जागी स्वतःला ठेवून तिच्या भावना समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करणं. सो रिमेंबर दिस सिम्पल डिफरन्स. सिम्पथी, आय फील फॉर यू. एम्पथी, आय फील विथ यू. मराठीत अगदी सोपं सांगायचं तर सिम्पथी म्हणजे तुझं दुःख पाहून मला वाईट वाटतं. एम्पथी म्हणजे तू काय अनुभवत आहेस हे मला समजून घ्यायचं आहे. And that's the heart of the difference. Sympathy sees the pain. Empathy tries to understand the pain. बस एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. Feeling for someone is sympathy. Understanding someone's feelings is empathy. So the next time someone is going through a difficult moment, don't just ask yourself, how do I feel about their pain? Instead, ask, what might they be feeling right now? कारण कधी-कधी आपल्याला मोठमोठे शब्द बोलण्याची गरज नसते. Sometimes just listening, understanding, and saying, I'm here with you, can mean everything. If this simple explanation helped you understand sympathy and empathy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, sympathy feels the pain from a distance. Empathy tries to understand it from within. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep understanding, and keep growing.